Canine Cincinnati. I am joined here by the very handsome Ralph. Ralph is an 8-month-old mixed breed, and he's bred into our border trained family. Mom and Dad sent him here just kind of work on some of his house manners, as well as some jumping and digging that he's got, just some bad behavior that's kind of puppy prone. So we're going to work on that as well as building his confidence. As you can see, he's a little bit nervous, a little bit reluctant here. So we're going to build a bond here since he has the same bond with Mom and Dad. So let's see what Ralph understands so far. Ralph, come. Ralph, come. Ralph, come. All right. Let's see if you can get over here. Yep. Ralph, sit. Ralph, sit. Ralph, sit. Ralph, sit. All right, so we're definitely going to work on both of those. Ralph, place. Ralph, place. Here he is. Ooh. Ralph, sit. All right, so you will definitely work on getting those more structured and definitely more reliable. So come back and we'll see what you can do in a minute. Ralph, come. Yes, good boy, Ralph. Good boy, Ralph. Good boy, Ralph. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, good come, good sit. Good boy. Yes, a good boy, Ralph. That's a good boy, Ralph. Yeah. Good boy. Ralph, place. Yes, good boy, Ralph, sit. Yes, good boy, good place, good sit. Good boy, good place, good sit. Ralph, place. Sit. Yes, good boy, good place, good sit. Okay, I guess you're going first? Okay, go first. Go. Sit. Yeah. Good boy. Ralph, load up. Load up. Ralph, load up. Ralph, come. Ralph, sit. Yes, good boy. Sit. Good boy, good sit. Ralph, load up. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, a good boy. Good load up. Good boy.
Ralph Place. Ralph Place. Ralph Brick.
Good boy.